This is going to be a video tutorial on how to underline text in Microsoft Word. I will be using Office 365 software on a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to Word here. I have Microsoft Word opened up now. To underline text in Word, it's very easy to do. Say that I wanted to underline this word right here. First thing you want to do is select the text that you want to underline. I'm going to put my mouse cursor at the very end of it. I'm going to hold down my left mouse button, drag across it. I'm going to let go of my left mouse button to where I have the text selected that I want to underline. Next thing I'm going to do is go up to the top up here. I am on the Home tab. And in the font area, right over here, you'll see a U with an underline below it. If you put your mouse cursor over it, it says underline. The keyboard shortcut is Control+U. If I click that drop-down arrow right next to it, I can choose between any one of these styles of lines to underline my text with. As you move your mouse cursor across them, you will see your underline change. You'll see an example of what it would look like if you select one of those. And if you go down to the bottom down here, you can choose what color you want your underline to be. I'm going to go down to here, straight off to the right. Say that I wanted a red underline. I'm going to go down to the bottom, select the red color. I'm going to click on that. And that is how to underline text in Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching.